how important is the process safety for plant design and how the chemical process engineer addressed to that? It is very, very important that if you want to work with plant design, and not only in plant design, but if you want to work with the industry, chemical, petrochemical, oil and gas, you have a strong process safety culture or process safety oriented focus, because hazard or accidents can kill not only people but also companies. And as a chemical process engineer, depending on the analysis of the causes and depending on the results of the research, you can be legal involved, so people can go to prison because of that. If you neglected some aspects of the safety in a project or in an operation, so that's why it's very, very important to be aware of that.